This is Honor Magic 4 Lite smartphone, and in this video we would like to show and share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and start. The first feature that we would like to highlight in today's video is the fingerprint unlock. In order to set it up, you gotta enter the biometrics and password category of settings. In here you'll be able to find the dedicated fingerprint ID section, which allows you to go ahead and set it up. Prior to enrolling any biometrical way of locking the screen, it is required that we also set up some backup screen lock method as well. I'll go with the pattern, so I'll change the unlock method, choose pattern, enter the graphical pattern that I would like to use, press on done. In here I'll tap on the new fingerprint option and start enrolling my fingerprint. The scanner/sensor is located right here at the side power key. So just place your finger onto the scanner and lay and lift it until the entire surface of your finger gets scanned, just like so. Make sure to slightly rotate your finger each time you lay it onto the scanner. Alrighty, as you can see, the enrollment process has been successfully finished. So let's go ahead and test it out. As you can see, the display gets unlocked with my fingerprint without any issues whatsoever. The second feature that we were to show you in this video is the second, also and another biometrical way of locking your screen, which is the face recognition. So let's configure it as well. It is way easier to set up. Just place your face inside the square frame and get it scanned. I'll do it off the screen real quick. Alrighty, so the setup procedure has been successfully completed. Let's just test how the Face ID works. Alrighty, as you can see, once I align my face with the front camera, the screen gets unlocked without any holdups. Alrighty, let's move on to the third feature that we were to show you. It is located in the display and brightness category of settings. It is an option that you can change, and it is called the screen refresh rate. So we can switch its value between 60 and 120 Hz respectively. The higher value gets you smoother and silkier visuals, the lower value saves you some battery. So set whatever value fits your current needs best. So if you do not have sufficient power left, just go for the 60 Hz. If the battery health that you have currently is more than you need, just crank it all the way up to 120 Hz. If you do not want to change its value manually, you can just set it to be dynamic, and the system will decide which screen refresh rate at any given moment fits your needs and system as well as power state the best. So that will be it as per the screen refresh rate. The next feature that we were to discuss is the app lock feature that you can set up by entering the security category of settings. Here you'll find the app lock. So basically, just by enabling it, we will be able to either set it to be the same as your screen lock, which is in my case was pattern, or set up some custom pin. I'll go with the custom pin options just to show you. I'll set it to be all ones. There is this password security test as well. I'll just set the question to be what was your childhood idol and type in, I don't know. That's a good question actually. I know, I'll type in John, just some John. Next, you'll be able to choose whether you would like for the fingerprint to be used as the app unlock way, which I'll turn on. and pass on enabling the face recognition, because it is not that secure. Now we choose for which particular applications we would like to use the app lock. I'll go with, let's say, calculator, calendar, and Google Chrome. Why not? And now let me just try to launch any of those apps. So as you can see, in order for me to access the calculator, I gotta either use the password that we have just set or the fingerprint. As you can see, I've unlocked it with the fingerprint. Let's see it once again and test it on the Google Chrome. The only thing, I gotta find it, here it is. But this time I'll use the password. Alrighty, just like this, as you can see, without any issues or difficulties, we can set app lock as well as use it. Alrighty, so moving on to the fifth and final feature for this video, which is not so of a feature, but rather a little tip. So as you can see right now, I'm navigating through my system, through my device via gestures. But if you would like to system navigation type to be digital buttons, you can set it to be. So in order to do that, you gotta enter the system and updates category of settings. Then you'll find the the separate system navigation section. And in here, you'll be able to switch between three digital key navigation and gestures types of system navigation, obviously. As you can see right now, I set it to be digital buttons, and now I'll navigate through my phone with the help of the digital buttons. Alrighty, so that will be it, not only for the final tip, but for this video in general. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.